Are you doing something naughty? Did I just catch you in the act? Oh, you're gonna come over here and do more over here, huh? Destroyed my rug. You and all your sisters. Why? Miss Minnie. Just naughty.